If you're looking for an easy nail reset for the new year, this is it. Hi everyone, it's Romina. Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm sharing my weekly natural nail care routine, simple, gentle for short nails. I always start by washing my hands. This removes dirt and oil and gives me a clean base to work on. Next, I apply a little alcohol. I keep it in this container so I can spread it out across my nails and gently scrub my nails and cuticle area. I use this brush and this helps remove any remaining residue from the soap and keeps everything clean and hygienic, especially before doing cuticle work. Now moving into filing, I use a nail file 180-240. This is the grid recommended for natural nails. The lower the number, the coarser will be the file, so be careful about that. And I file and shape my nails slowly and gentle. And now I'm keeping a square shape to keep my nails intentional, well cared for, and I kind of look how the square shape looks on my fingers. Now for the cuticle removal part, I use this gel from Sally Hansen to gently push back and remove only the dead skin. So I squeeze a generous amount of product on my nails, and then as recommended by the product, wait 15 seconds and then push back your cuticles. And I use an orange stick. It's very gentle, it's not sharp at all, so I would recommend you use this. There's other tools that you could use if the cuticle is very stuck to the nail plate, but I wouldn't recommend it. These are very sharp tools and they could be dangerous for your nails, making indentations or cuts even. So this step instantly makes your nail look cleaner and longer. So I'm gonna be pushing back my cuticles and removing all the dead skin on the nail plate only. I don't cut my proximal nail fold or anything like that. You can use a lint-free wipe and alcohol to clean your stick and move on to the next nails. After that, I like to remove any hair on my knuckles. This of course is optional. You can use some tweezers or wax if you have, and then I wash my hands again. This is the most important step and honestly the most underrated. I apply cuticle oil and really massage it into my nails and skin. Here I'm using a lot of oil because this is my weekly routine that I do before bed, so I put a little bit more. But if you're doing this daily, which you should every time that you wash your hands, you can use only 1 drop of oil for 10 nails. That's more than enough. And then I follow with hand lotion or cream. So now a few recommendations. Do this routine once a week before bed. Push your cuticles back after showering every 2 days. Apply cuticle oil several times per day and wear gloves whenever doing chores, and that will protect your hands and nails. If you find any value and if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe if you're new. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thank you so much for watching and I'll see you in the next one. Bye!